Well, there's trouble which is growing for Navjot Sidhu in Punjab. Congress MPs from Punjab, except Ambika Soni, who is not there, she's at this stage, have sought an appointment with the Congress president. They will be explaining to her that they are opposed to the appointment of Navjot Sidhu as the Congress chief in Punjab. They say that he's behaved erratically in the last 5 years. They say he has no hold and no grip in the organization at all.
इस चीज के ऊपर बहुत गंभीरता से विचार किया है कि ये जो किसानों की बात है, हमारा जीएसटी कॉम्पनसेशन डिले किया जाता है, वैक्सीनेशन का मामला है, इन सब मुद्दों को लेकर क्या संसद में हमारी रणनीति होनी चाहिए। जो भी संसदीय इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हमको अवेलेबल है, उसके माध्यम से हम पंजाब की बात संसद के और सरकार के समक्ष रखे। जहां तक कांग्रेस के अंदरूनी मामलों का सवाल है, वो बात जो कांग्रेस के अंदरूनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, उसके ऊपर होगी।
Well, let's go straight across now to NDTV's Sunil Prabhu, who's been tracking these latest developments very closely. Sunil.
Thanks, Vishnu. I have somebody who's been the face or what I would call who has really been at loggerheads with Captain Amrinder, now become his friend, working with him to try to stop Mr. Sidhu from becoming the PCC chief. What is this banner of revolt and this, the fact that, I know you won't want to say it, but let's be honest with each other about how you want to go forward with Mrs. Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi on the decision that they're taking.
Vishnu, first of all, he is a very dear friend of mine and very naughty. So that's why he always puts very naughty questions to me, and my straight answer is there is nothing that we are doing to stop anybody. We are loyal soldiers of the Congress president and Rahul Gandhi. Whatever directions come from them, till date, we have always agreed to those. We have always welcomed those. So there is no question of any kind of a revolt brewing. Difference of opinion is something else, and that difference of opinion, I have put it at the right forums, in front of Mrs. Gandhi, in front of Rahul Gandhi when he called us, and in front of the three-membered committee led by Mr. Kharge. So this is all hogwash. This is basically media creation that there is some kind of revolt brewing. There's nothing.
But
everything
see, the point is that in the social composition, there are Hindus who have to be accommodated in the thing of Punjab. You are a Judge Sikh, Captain is a Judge Sikh, Mr. Sidhu is a Judge Sikh. You can't have so many people all at one go. So how do you take it forward? And a person like Mr. Captain Amrinder, who didn't bother to meet you or speak to you for the last 4 years, now you're suddenly going to his house and his farmhouse and ready to bury the hatchet.
No, I did not. It is he who invited me. And he is the chief minister of my party. Till date, he never invited me and never went there. I am a man who fights for principles. I don't compromise. I did not go for some license or a permit to him. I went for the cause of the people, the cause that I've been fighting for, which is very dear to me. So he asked me that he wants to find a way out for all issues that I had taken up, and I'm satisfied what he said. Number two, I fully agree with this, that Punjab is a very, very secular state. The gurus have always believed in a casteless society. We generally don't go with this notion of Sikhs and Hindus and Dalits. So, but even then, if in India's politics you see, this is very correct, almost 38% of Punjab's population are Hindus. And generally it has always happened that when the Chief Minister is a Sikh, and he has always been a Sikh since this new state of Punjab came in 1966, always a Jat Sikh has been there. Only once, Gyani Zail Singh, who belonged to the backward classes, was a CM for 5 years. So generally the Pradesh Congress at that time has been kept for either a Dalit or a Hindu. So this is what most of the people had said.
And this is what you're trying to tell Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi now.
I am not trying to tell him. This is what a couple of other people are trying to tell him. Tell her or him. Tell her or him, not Pratap Singh Bajwa, because Pratap Singh Bajwa is neither a candidate.
You only hosted the party, that meeting.
No. This party is meant for the Kisans. On the issue of the Kisans, please don't take the story in a rigmarole. The only thing is we are basically very much agitated over the matters that Kisans are sitting
So
at the
let
bottom.
me put it in a nutshell. Is this a challenge to the Congress leadership about, because Captain Amrinder, he's ready to bury the hatchet with Mr. Sidhu if he publicly apologizes. Are you ready to bury the hatchet in terms of Mr. Sidhu's appointment and then all go forward from here? Or what is the way forward? Because is this a question on the leadership?
See, I've always considered Sidhu as a younger brother or a good friend. I have nothing personal against him. He's a good person.
But he's erratic. He doesn't keep in touch with people. He's never been in touch with the thing. He's a new entrant, as they say, to the Congress leadership.
So, see, this is something which really has been bothering a lot of old congressmen. People thought that this organization post should be kept for people who belong to the Congress, who believe in the Congress ideology. They should be loyal, they should be senior, they should be capable. So, but whatever, again I reiterate that if Mrs. Gandhi wants to bless anybody or Rahul Gandhi wants to bless somebody, we are always there. We are always there. From my side, I can say, I cannot talk on behalf of somebody else.
Very honest, Mr. Bajwa. He couldn't be more honest and more forthcoming about what exactly they want. We'll now have to wait and see how the Congress president goes ahead and makes that appointment, if she does, and whether she's ready to listen to her party MPs who have raised their banner of revolt, even if they don't want to say that.
All right. Thanks, Sunil, very much for sharing those details with us. No clear answers, but I think under the circumstances, it's still a way forward in terms of what the Congress party and their leadership is thinking. Open dissent still in the Punjab Congress.